And today we're going to be checking out the Bitvae X122 Toothbrush Sterilizer. That's right, this is a little mounted toothbrush cleaner that you can put on your wall, and when you get done brushing your teeth and rinsing out your toothbrush, you hang it in there. It's going to circulate air around your toothbrush to dry it, but it's also going to use UV light to kill any germs or bacteria. You don't have to plug it in. It is rechargeable, so you can just recharge it and stick it back up. And then if it goes dead, you just pull it down and recharge it. But let's go ahead, point the camera down, take a closer look at it, and see how this thing works. All right, so here it is right here. We're going to go ahead and get this opened up. Bitvae makes some good products. I actually use their ultrasonic toothbrush. Works very well. So I have faith in this product as well. Here's the actual device itself. You're also going to get a charge cord, which is USB to USB Type-C. And you're going to get the little mounting pad with the two-sided tape. And I'll show you how to do that. And then this just slides on. And then when it goes dead, you slide it off, charge it, and slide it right back on. We're going to go ahead and hit the power button. You can see it powering up right there. Okay, so now that we have it powered up, there are two ways to activate it. One, you can touch the power button and the little door opens so you can insert your toothbrush, or you can just wave your hand in front of it. How cool is that? And then you would put your toothbrush in, and then you just wave your hand back, and you can see that the little lights in there have turned on to start disinfecting your toothbrush. Very, very cool indeed. Now it says that once it closes, it's going to disinfect for 20 seconds, air dry for 100 seconds, then disinfect for 20 seconds, and air dry for 70 seconds for every 3 hours. Very, very cool device. The screen is displaying the disinfection progress, and it'll go from 99% down to 0%. And then once the battery gets low, it will display that on the screen as well. So what we need to do is we need to go install this so I can actually show you with the toothbrush how it works. All right, so we're going to go ahead and install this really quick. And I am going to permanently install it because I could use this in my life. So I have the two-sided tape on the little mount. Peel that off. I'm just going to stick the mount right here. Let me move it over just a little bit. I should consult with my wife where to put this because I'm sure it's going to be an inch off if I have to move it. The tape is removable. So now you just take this and you slide it on and your installation is complete. So then you just hit the power button and you hold it for 2 seconds and it powers up. And now if you want to clean your toothbrush, you wave your hand. You can insert your toothbrush inside. Wave your hand again. And my toothbrush is being cleaned and dried. That fast, that simple. So if you're looking for a super efficient way to keep your toothbrush clean, disinfected, and ready to go, I would suggest you check out this little cleaner. If you wanted to, you could just slide it off and travel with it as well. It's rechargeable, it's easy to install, and it can make brushing your teeth that much healthier. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.